How to fix Logitech G733 not charging. So in order to fix this issue, what you can do is, first of all, you need to make sure that the charging cord is connected properly or not. If and you need to ensure that the cord is connected either to your laptop or wall plug-in. So unplug the wire and the visually check to make sure that there is no debris blocking the connectivity to the headphones. You need to ensure that the charger is placed correctly in the spot, hearing an audible clicking noise. Double check by pulling gently on the wire to see if it come out. The headphones should give off the visual indicator by glowing when charging. You can even check the broker charger. So if you know that the device is properly plugged in, but you aren't receiving any indication that it is then charging, then you may want to consider if the charger is broken. Remedy this by using a different cable to charge the device. If it still does not charge with a different cable, then you know it's the charging cord. You can even check the battery connection issues. So if there is no light coming from your headphones, it may be an issue with the battery. So you need to just take off the right headphone ear muff marked with an R. Then you need to just unscrew the four screws from the headphones. From there you need to take a plastic piece off and set it aside. After that, take the battery, which is a small gray rectangle, and either replace or clean off the battery. So then you just have to connect the battery and reattach the plastic cover. Finally, you need to screw in the four screws and attach the ear muff. You can even check whether the battery that you are using is dead. So you can test to see if the battery is dead by pulling it out and checking it with a multimeter. If you need to replace it, you can follow this guide to replace your battery. So these are some of the four methods that you can use whenever you see that the Logitech G733 is not charging, in order to fix your issue. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.